If you are interested in a wig that is pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and has a really good cap fit that does not hurt the back of your ears and is adjustable to any size head, this is definitely the cap for you. This fits so snug and it's like I'm not even wearing a wig. Hey guys, welcome back to Keesee's World, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you're here, I'm sure you want to get all the details on this wig, and that's exactly what I'm going to do, provide them for you. So let's get into it. But first, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead. There you go. What? Was that bad talk? Okay, oh, all right. Thank you. No. All right, y'all. So today I have UNice wig. Woohoo! So I have this nice cute goodie bag. It has the melting band, some press-on nails, and HD wig caps. Very useful. Oh, there's more HD wig caps in the box. And then this. Let me see what this is. It is a robe. Oh, it's so cute, guys. Okay, this is perfect for my trip I'm about to take. A little cute satin robe. I love it. So the wig I'm unboxing today, Glueless Bye Bye Knots wig, water wave, 24 inches, 7x5, 150% density. So that is what I have here. So it came with Bye Bye Knots wig tape. It also has the band that makes the wig fit even more, which I'm sure I'm going to use. Here is the wig. This is the water wave unit. I might be wearing this weekend. This is how it looks out of the box. That hairline is super pretty. Oh, very, very pretty. So let's get into the cap construction. This is the inside of the cap. It is a 7x5. And the great thing about this cap, if you can see, so the lace of the cap is at a curve. It is not a straight pre-cut lace. It is curved on the head. Also, this is called a C cap. And it has these little cutouts for your ears. So one of the things about glueless wigs, I love me a glueless wig, but sometimes the caps are a little too big and that cap is all the way down on my ear and it irritates my ear, like literally hurts. So this was a really great idea to have it cut out by the ears so that the wig fits better and does not hurt or irritate you behind your ears. There are no combs in the front, but it does have the 2 slots for the band, which is right here, and I will be using this to put it on. It is adjustable in the back. It has the 2 straps right here, and you can hook it into these slits. It has a comb so that you could put that comb under your wig band or in your hair. So it's not called a C cap. It's called the C shape that matches your ear shape so it doesn't hurt behind. It's also glasses friendly. So if you wear glasses, you can put your glasses behind your ear. It's not going to, the wig will not be in the way. So that's a good thing too. This is a smart cap. It not only is one size fits all, but also 3D dome cap technology, super fitted glueless wig cap. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on. I don't even have it completely in place, and this wig feels so good right now on because I do not feel it behind my ear at all. Like, that is so perfect behind my ear. Like, this is one of the best things they ever could have done, is made sure that they cut out space for your ears. This is a perfect fit. Like I said, it was adjustable in the back. I have it adjusted nice and tight. And the great thing is all of this right here is not blowing in the wind. Right here. So I have it adjusted to the tightest setting because I have a small head, and there's nothing flapping off. The wig feels so secure in the back. And then with the cutout for the ears, absolutely in love with that. So the front, remember I was telling you about that C curve? It fits so well in the front of my head because the hairline is curved. The hairline is curved. It's not a straight hairline. You know how wigs will be pre-cut and it's like a straight pre-cut. And so for me, what happens when they do that is when it gets to the part where the cap meets the lace, it lifts. This doesn't lift because they made the lace in a curve so that it perfectly fits your head. And so I really love that because it really is a perfect fit. So it looks really natural. I just need to put some makeup on my lace. They did their thing with this wig. The 150% density for this water wave hair still feels very, very full. It's not overwhelming. Like, I can get into an easy ponytail, but it's full from root to end, and it looks full from root to end. So they did not cut corners when it comes to the length and the density of the hair being the same throughout. So as you can see, there's not much I'm gonna have to do to this wig. This wig is pretty much ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and wet it and define the curls and then dry it and show you how good it looks. So let's go ahead and get into it.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele. Everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But get it, come here to me, to me. Come here to me, let's go. Come here, come to me, Fatu bata jambele, oh Lord.
So this is the hair. We're all nice and dry. It looks so pretty. I love this hair. You know, it's spring, we're gonna be in summer. This is perfect hair for that time, just kind of wet and go. I love that. This is all the hair pulled to the front. So you're looking at all of the hair right now, and I just love it. The cap fit is my absolute fave. It's like I'm not wearing a wig at all right now. The fact that I do not feel it behind my ears feels amazing. I did not put any product on this lace to put it down, so I'm doing the comb, okay? The comb is under there, and it still looks super flawless without putting any product on it to lay the hair down. And quality, amazing. I can just lift it up and readjust it if I need to. And it is good to go, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in to Keesee's World. All the details for this wig as well as the link will be down in the description box. I also will have all the products used that I link if you're If you're interested, all the products I use smell amazing. It will have your hair smell amazing, and also will define these beautiful water wave curls from this UNice hair. All right, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Yeah.